The fuck is that? I'm using your camera now, damn it. Fuck.
In my world is moments, seeing through the thicker line. Cause I love the menacing. But come on, you know that I'm gonna make it right. All I want is a little baby. All you want is say to me, try. Transparency, don't let my mouth got to see through your eyes.
Fucking have some awareness, dude.
Jesus. Okay. Alright, you already cut me off. Ooh. Jesus. Ooh, that's some. What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Jesus Christ, dude. What was that stupid move? Fucking crazy red-haired drummer. That guy.
Oh my god.
Try again,
Oh
buddy.
shit.
Oh my god, dude. Yeah, thank you. Did he come out of the wrong side?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Okay, go the other way, dude. Come on. Alright.
Dude, oh my god, do something.
Oh my god. Hey, you looking at all, man? Jesus.
Nope.
Glad I'm paying attention. Fuck. Okay, whatever.
On a scorching hot day. You said that, yeah. And Foghorn Leghorn responded, I'd be lying if I said that didn't make me feel as proud as a rooster in the morning sun. What brings you here, sir?
Suh.
Sir.
How do they spell
Hello,
that?
good sir.
How do they spell it?
S-U-H. Like sir, but like
Oh,
sir.
wow. Yeah, like sir.
Yeah.
But hick.
Yes. Southern.
Oh. Hey, we have a fucking green light. That's cute. Put the furniture against the goddamn walls.
Yeah.
Okay, just go across
My God.
Oh my god, dude.
Jesus Christ.
Go. You have all the space in the world, dude. Fuck. Not that skinny. Oh god. Get off your fucking phone, lady. Jesus.
Took like 5 minutes, and the next car, but it was so like you'd push one button. So it wasn't
what the fuck are you doing?
Stuff. It was the machine. Like you push like the first letter of your code, and it would stop.
What an asshole!
A minute later, you could enter the section.
For your free tickets, this is an educational event only. Introducing the new Swiffer Power Mop, the all-in-one tool that gives you a mop and bucket clean in half the time. The solution's right in, so no heavy bucket, and the pad has hundreds of scrubbing strips deep in the ground. Don't mop harder, mop smarter.
Like a Coach Dog, bro. You go to the thing, you put 25 cents in, they give you a little bit of.
And it like rolls out of their mouth. Like it's like.
Yeah, like shit rolled up like a fucking
Yeah.
bubble tape, and then it rolls out, and it's like.
Okay, everybody.